Today I am going to start acid, base and salt of chemistry for class 10 syllabus ICSE board. Though it's present in ICSE board, it is required for everywhere in any competitive exam also. What is acid? First of all, know what is acid. Then we will go first complete acid today. Today I want to complete acid. What is the classification of acid? Acid, like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. One is organic acid, inorganic acid. On the basis of source, acid is two types. One is natural source, another is artificial source. Natural source is like organic acid, citric acid. Okay. Organic acid which derived from plants and animals. And inorganic acid which derived from mineral sources. Mineral like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, okay, hydrochloric acid, these are inorganic acid. Acetic acid is an organic acid. Therefore, on the basis of source, acid is classified into two types. One is organic acid, another is inorganic acid. Again, on the basis of strength, acid is divided into two categories. One is strong acid, another is weak acid. Strong acid is like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. And weak acid like acetic acid. Next come to on the basis of composition, molecular composition, like oxy acid, another is hydra acid. Oxy acid means like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, this contains oxygen. And hydra acid like hydrochloric acid, hydrogen bromide, hydra acid. Hydra acid means hydrogen is the main part, except oxygen. That is called hydra acid. On the basis of molecular composition, acid is divided into two categories. One is hydra acid containing hydrogen, not oxygen. But in case of oxy acid, oxygen present as well as hydrogen also present. This is on the basis of composition, molecular composition. Next come to the on the basis of basicity of acid. Monobasic acid containing only one hydrogen ion, dibasic acid containing two hydrogen ion, and tribasic acid containing three hydrogen ion. Monobasic acid like hydrochloric acid is a monobasic acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4, that is two hydrogen ion, that is dibasic acid. And tribasic acid example is H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Okay. This is all about the basic classification of acid. But first of all, what is acid? Acid is a compound which on dissolve in water it gives hydronium ion. What is that hydronium ion? HCO plus hydronium ion formation taking place in case of acid. When acid is dissolved, it gives hydronium ion. Now let us go the different types of acid where we are getting that source means acid, their sources, natural source, then it is called organic acid. If it is artificial source means man-made source, by laboratory made, that is called inorganic acid. Okay. Another is on the basis of composition, hydra acid, oxy acid. On the basis of strength, acid is divided two categories. One is strong acid with full concentration, high concentration, and another weak concentration, that is weak acid. Like acetic acid is a weak acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. It is an organic acid, no doubt. And next is on the basis of basicity. Basicity means number of hydrogen ions. Monobasic acid containing one hydrogen ion, like hydrochloric acid H plus Cl minus. Okay. And sulfuric acid containing two hydrogen ions H2 hydrogen atom. Okay. That is dibasic acid is. Next tribasic acid H3PO4 phosphoric acid. It is a tribasic because it contains three hydrogen atoms. Okay. And nitric acid, what is that? Nitric acid formula is what? Nitric acid HNO3. It is a monobasic acid as it contains only one hydrogen ion. Let us go one by one, just see. See the name of acid and their natural sources. Acetic acid, what is the natural source? That is vinegar. Citric acid, from where you are getting? Natural sources is citrus fruits like orange, lemon. Okay. This type of fruits we are getting citric acid. These are all organic acid. Next we come to butyric acid. Okay. Butyric acid, the sources is rancid butter. Next come to the hydrochloric acid. Okay. Hydrochloric acid, that is gastric juice. Formic acid, formic formula is what? HCOOH. Organic acid or formic acid is organic acid. from the natural sources is what? String of bees and ant. Next come to the lactic acid. Lactic acid, what is the natural sources? That is milk, from milk, sour milk. Okay. Next you check malic acid coming from apples. Oleic acid, olive oil. Stearic acid, fat. Tartaric acid, from where you are getting tartaric acid? Grapes, tomatoes and apples. Next come to the uric acid, that is coming from urine. Urine. From urine you are getting uric acid. These are the name of the acid given here and their sources. You have to memorize for your coming exam. Very vital. Of every acid, what is their sources, you have to memorize thoroughly for your coming exam. Okay. Let us go next. Let us go meaning of acid and what is derived. Acids were derived from the Latin word meaning sour, since they are associated with sour taste of fruits. Metallic oxide and their hydroxide make up a group called base. Not required. Today our topic is only acid. Let's say only complete your acid. Acid is a compound which when dissolved in water yields hydronium ion. What is the formula for hydronium? H3O plus. As the only positively charged ion. That means an acid is a compound, no doubt, which when dissolved in water it gives hydronium ion. How? Let us take one example of hydrochloric acid, HCl. In case aqueous HCl, it will give H plus, Cl minus. This H plus, whenever it is added, what is added, this will form hydronium ion. Okay, the final, what is the result? HCl plus H2O, it will give hydronium ion plus Cl minus. Some name of weak acid, like carbonic acid. These are weak acid. Carbonic acid, what is the formula? Chemical formula is H2CO3. Okay, H2CO3, carbonic acid. Next come to sulfurous. Sulfurous acid, H2SO3. But sulfuric acid is a strong acid. That is sulfuric means H2SO4. But here given sulfurous acid, H2SO3. It is weak acid. I am talking about some weak acid. Name of some weak acid. Hydrochloric acid, hydrogen bromide. It is hydro strong acid. But here given hydriodic acid, hydrogen iodide type. Hydrobromic acid, HBr. These are weak acid, but hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Acetic acid, it is organic acid, no doubt. Formula is CH3COOH. This is a functional group. Formic acid also weak acid, HCOH. Oxalic acid containing two COH group. Okay, this is 2 CH group. This formula is COH, C2OH2O4. Okay, this is oxalic acid molecular formula. Molecular formula is containing two carboxylic group, 2 carboxylic acid. Okay, 2 carboxylic group present in a oxalic acid. It contains 2 carboxylic group, COH group. Okay, these are the name of some weak acid with their chemical formula I told. First of all, what is weak acid? Just see, weak acid is what? Weak acid which dissociates partially, not wholly, or to a little extent when dissolved in water, producing a low concentration of hydronium ion or H plus ions, are called weak acid. Means weak acid which dissociates partially or to a little extent when dissolved in water, producing a low concentration of H plus or hydronium ion, are called weak acid. Okay, the name of definition of weak acid and their name with their chemical formula. Is it clear or not? Next I will go to strong acid. See, next I am going to strong acid. Strong acid is an acid, no doubt, which dissociates almost completely in aqueous solution, means adding water, thereby producing a high concentration of hydrogen ions, H plus ion, or hydronium ion. As you know, when acid is added to water, it gives hydronium ion. See, we are taking nitric acid, HNO3. Added water, this will form, what will form? It will form hydronium ion plus nitrate, NO3. Again, same process in case of sulfuric acid, H2SO4 plus water, balancing the equation, they are multiplied to here, had 2 hydronium ions plus sulfate ion. This is sulfate, this is nitrate. Okay, contains almost only ions. That means example is hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, sulfuric acid is a strong acid, Nitric acid is also strong acid. If the question will come, write the name of three strong acid: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. When acid dissolves in water, it gives hydronium ion. Hydronium ion means H3O plus. Okay, as it is a nitric acid, it will give hydronium ion plus nitrate. Sulfuric acid will produce hydronium ion plus sulfate ion. So, what is the strongest definition? Strong acid is an acid which dissociate almost completely in aqueous solution, thereby producing high concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions. Okay, this is basic idea about strong. You have to memorize. Next, we will go to the basicity of that basic. What do you mean basicity? Monobasic, dibasic, tribasic. Let us see. I am going to the monobasic acid. Acid which on complete dissociation produce only one hydrogen ion. Only one hydrogen ion, or contain one replaceable hydrogen ion per molecule of the acid, are called mono. Mono means one. One means monobasic acid. They dissociate in one step and their basicity is one. What is the basicity? Number of hydrogen ion. For example, hydrochloric H plus Cl minus. Okay, other example like acetic acid C3COH, that means it will give CH3CO and H plus H3CO minus H plus. Next come to the monobasic hydrochloric acid forms only one type of salt, like common salt, sodium hydroxide plus HCl. It is a base, acid plus base. As you know, it is a neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, it will give salt plus water, normal salt plus water. Acid plus base, it gives salt and water. This is a neutralization reaction. This is all about the monobasic acid. Let us go next, dibasic acid. See, next I am going to dibasic acid. Di means what? Two. Dibasic acid which on complete dissociation produce two hydrogen ions per molecule. Per molecule, how many hydrogen ions you will get? Two. That is the main important. That is therefore name is called dibasic acid. Molecule of the acid are called dibasic acid. They dissociate in two steps and their basicity is how much? 2. As its name is dibasic. Example is, take sulfuric acid H2SO4. It gives H plus HSO4 minus. Again HSO4 minus, it will give again another H plus sulfate. Balance it 2 minus. Now combine both. What will you get? Sulfuric acid is giving 2 hydrogen ions or not? 2 hydrogen ions, 2 H plus and sulfate 2 minus. Okay. Therefore, the dibasic sulfuric acid form two types of salt. One, the normal salt, and other is acidic salt. Sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. It is a base, it is a salt acid. Acid plus base, what will give salt? Sodium bisulfate, that is acid salt plus water. Again you see, sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid will give normal salt, that is sodium sulfate. Normal salt formula is NO2SO4 plus water. As you know, acid plus base, it will give salt plus water. This is all about the basic idea about dibasic acid. Let us go next. I am going to tribasic acid. Acid which on complete dissociation produce 3 hydrogen ions. How many hydrogen ions? 3 hydrogen ions per molecule. 3 hydrogen ions per molecule of the acid are called tribasic acid. They dissociate in 3 steps and their basicity is how much? 3. Therefore name is coming tribasic acid. Take one example. Phosphoric acid H3PO4. It will give H plus, H2PO4 minus. See the 3 steps they are showing. Then how many hydrogen ions are coming? 3 hydrogen ions, 3 H plus. The tribasic phosphoric acid form 3 types of salt. Okay, dibasic acid form 2 types of salt. Here 3 types of salt. One, the normal salt, other 2 are acidic salt. See, sodium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid H3O4. It is giving, see, acid salt. This is called acid salt. Next I am going to basic salt. See, sodium hydroxide plus H3PO4, it gives acid salt. Okay. Next one is, that is normal salt, sodium phosphate, Na3PO4, sodium phosphate. This is the basic idea about the tribasic acid. Next I am going to next one. On the basis of molecular composition, acid is of 2 types. How many types? 2 types. One is hydroacid, another is oxyacid. Okay, what is hydra acid? Let me complete first. Hydra acid. Hydra acid means an acid which contains hydrogen and a non-metallic element other than oxygen. Oxygen not present here. It's called a hydra. Hydra means hydrogen. Means an acid which contains hydrogen and a non-metallic element. Name of the hydra acid: hydrochloric acid. The chemical formula is HCl. Hydrobromic acid, chemical formula is HBr. Hydriodic acid, HI. Hydrofluoric acid, HF, fluorine group, halogen group. Fluorine, chlorine, halogen group number 7A or group number 17. Why they are called halogen group? Because they are producing salt. Therefore, name is coming halogen group. Next is hydrocyanic acid, HCN. What is the name of this compound? Hydrocyanic acid. Hydrocyanic acid is a hydra acid because hydrogen present. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S. This is also hydra acid. Okay. I hope you are able to understand. Hydra acid means hydrogen is the main part except hydrogen. Therefore, the definition coming: hydra acid, an acid which contains hydrogen and a non-metallic element other than oxygen. Oxygen not present here, other than oxygen. It's called a hydra acid. Let us go oxy acid. So next I am going to oxy acid. Oxy acid, an acid, no doubt, which contains oxygen along with hydrogen and one more element is called oxy acid. In case of hydra acid, no oxygen is there, but here oxygen also there, hydrogen also there. Therefore, name is coming. Oxy acid is an acid which contains oxygen along with hydrogen and one more element is called oxy acid. See name of some oxy acid, some of examples: nitric acid, formula is HNO3, nitrous acid, HNO2, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Next is sulfurous acid, H2SO3, phosphoric acid. What is the formula for phosphorus? H3PO4. Carbonic acid, H2CO3. Formic acid, HCOH. Formic acid is organic acid. Acetic is also organic acid. Oxalic is also organic acid. Oxalic acid containing 2 carboxylic group and acetic acid only containing 1 carboxylic group. Formic acid also 1 carboxylic group. Okay, these are the name of oxy acid with their chemical formula. You have to memorize thoroughly. Now, on the basis of molecular composition, acid is of 2 types. One is hydra acid containing hydrogen other than oxygen. Okay, and oxy acid means oxygen also present must and hydrogen also present. Another element also present. Okay, this is all about the basic classification of acid. Let us go next. See, I am giving general uses of some acid. General uses of some acid. Boric acid. What is the use of boric acid? Eye wash or antiseptic. Citric acid. What is the use? Food preservation. Okay, food preservation we are using citric acid. Next come to oxalic acid. Ink stain remover. Ink can be removed by the application of oxalic acid. Therefore, ink stain remover. Meaning ink is there on the any cloth that can be removed by the application of oxalic acid. Carbonic acid. Flavor drinks. Flavor, different types of flavor we are drinking. Tartaric acid, baking powder. Tartaric acid, what is the use? That is baking powder. Acetic acid, table vinegar, and it is used in cooking. Vinegar where it is used? Cooking for it is used. Next, hydrochloric acid. What is the use of hydrochloric acid? Cleaning of metal item. In case of any metal item can be used. For cleaning purpose of the metal, we have to use hydrochloric acid. It is acid. Benzoic acid. It is a close chain hydrocarbon. It is a close chain containing benzene group. Okay. Benzoic acid. In a benzene group, one hydrogen replaced by COH group that converted to benzoic acid. Preservation of. See, benzoic acid is a organic acid containing close chain having alternative position double bond. Already I have told in organic acid. Okay. It is used preservation of food and making of perfume and medicine also. Next come to nitric acid. Formula is HNO3. What is the use of nitric acid? For explosion. It is used. Next come to phosphoric acid. It is used in fertilizer. In a fertilizer, cultivation purpose, fertilization. phosphoric acid is. These are the name of the some acid with their uses. I am telling you have to memorize thoroughly. I am repeating again. Just see boric acid, eye wash or antiseptic, citric acid, food preservation like vitamin C preparation, oxalic acid, ink stain remover, carbonic acid, flavored drinks, tartaric acid, baking powder, acetic acid, table vinegar in cooking purpose, hydrochloric acid, cleaning of metal items, benzoic acid, clothes and hydrocarbons, preservation of food and making perfume and medicine. Nitric acid, very strong acid, for it is used in explosive. Phosphoric acid, it is used for fertilizers. Okay, this is all about the uses of some acids. Next we will continue the remaining part of the acid base salt. Thank you for today's class.